Good morning, students. I am Nabhunila and today I am going to teach you my shadow. We are revising it the third time. We have already discussed it in the online class, and you guys already gave the prepared version of the poem My Shadow, and I know that you are very prepared with My Shadow and all the question answer of it, but today we will revise it once again and I will provide you a worksheet on My Shadow. We have already done two worksheet of it, but I will give you another worksheet. Please submit it on the time. Okay, now let's start with the poem My Shadow. My Shadow is written by R.L. Stevenson, Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so let's start. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very like me from the hills up to the toe, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun I was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepy head, had stayed at home behind me, was fast asleep in bed. So, what is the poet saying here? The poet is saying that there is shadow of mine. Okay, when we walk in under a light, we see our shadow is falling on the ground. Okay, so here the poet is talking about his shadow. So if the poet is saying that if there was not me, whether if there is not me, there is not anyone, there will be no shadow. So the existence of the shadow is depending on my existence. If I am there, my shadow will be there. If I am not there, the shadow will not be there. So the poet is surprised by seeing the activity of the shadow, that the shadow is jumping before him in the bed, the shadow is walking all alone with him. But when it is night time, there will be no shadow. Why? Because there is no light. Okay, and when the shadow is the most visible in the in the whole day, in the daytime, when the sun is up above our head. Okay, when the sun is up above our head, there will be the shadow, and the shadow is most prominent at that time only. Okay, then he said that the shadow keeps changing its shape. When the light is very strong, the shadow becomes shadow is so high that like a rubber ball, like when we play cricket, there is a rubber ball, we it bounces and bounces, then it goes high when we hit a boundary in the cricket match, right? So just like that, when in the light is very much high, then the shadow is very long, like the jump, just like India rubber ball jumps high. Okay, but when there is no light, there will be no shadow, and the shadow is very much invisible at that time, like there is none of him at all. There is no shadow when there is no light. One day the poet wakes up early, very early in the morning, and he sees that there is no shadow of him. Why? Because there is not the sun. The sun is not up yet. Okay, the sun is sleeping, so the shadow is sleeping like a lazy sleepy head. Okay, so the shadow is sleeping in the bed, but the poet is up in the before the sunrise. So at the night time and before the sunrise, there is no shadow of us. Okay, the shadow will only be there if there will be light, whether it is a street light, whether it is a tube light, or whether it will be the sun. Okay, it was a very easy poem. Now some new words. India rubber ball means a ball that can bounce very high. The ball with which the Indian cricket team used to play cricket. Okay, so that is India rubber ball. And the next is buttercup. Buttercup means yellow flower. Yes, the sunflower sunflower type flower is buttercup. Errant means bad. Errant sleepy head, man, bad lazy. Okay, so My Shadow is a very short poem, very little poem. Read it very carefully in your home, and if you are facing any problem with this poem, please let me know in the WhatsApp group. I will provide you with all the materials and all. I am doing the video for your benefit. We have already discussed it in the online class, but I am revising it in the video so that you have, if you have any doubt, it will be clear. Okay, so if you are having any doubt regarding this poem, please let me know and I will clear all your doubts. Okay, I will be available on the class time every day in the WhatsApp group. So please watch this video and revise it very carefully. Okay, we will meet on the next video. Till then, bye bye.